Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Claude Code in your terminal. So first of all, you'd like to open your terminal. If you're using Windows, you have either to open the terminal CMD or PowerShell. As an example, for me, let me just go and open PowerShell. If you make sure to run it as administrator, and if you are using a Mac as an example or Linux, just open your normal terminal. So then you will have to go and install Cloud Code or Claude Code. On Windows or PowerShell, you'll have to enter the following command, which is IRM, then a space, and then you'll have to enter the following URL, which is https two dots two slashes, then type claude.ai slash install and the dot ps1. Then you'll have to do a space, add this, and do e or iex. Once you do so, it will start installing Claude Code inside your terminal where you will be able to use it. So just give it a go or give it a time or some time until it starts installing alone. So as an example, to start setting up the Claude Code, installing Claude Code native build latest. So just wait for it until it's done. At the same time, as an example, if you're using a Mac or a Linux, the option to install it in your terminal, I'm just going to show you the command. It will not run here on Windows, but for you, you can go and try it out. So we have here curl space, then choose a dash, then type fs and a big S and a big L. Then of course you'll have to enter the same URL, which is https two dots two slashes and then claude.ai slash install .sh here instead. Then of course at the end we'll have to do bash. So once you do so and hit the enter button, it should work on your Linux or Mac, but for me, it will not work since I'm using Windows. So as you can see, the other one is working. So as you can see, Claude Code successfully installed, and you'll find here some setup notes as an example, the native installation exists, and etc. But all we care about is that the installation is completed. So you can verify, as an example, your installation if you want to always. If this installation is complete is not enough, for example, if you quit the PowerShell by mistake, you can always type Claude and two dashes then version, or just type Claude as example. So Claude dash dash version works, I guess, in Linux. It will not work here in Windows. So I just did some things as an example. So I just check if I have it installed or not, and as you can see, I did have it installed. So all I needed to do as an example is just changing the path for the current PowerShell session to basically be at this path where it's installed. Because as you can see here, they're telling me that it's got taken as example to this path, so I'll just change the path. So for you, you probably don't have to do that, but if you do, just go to the path where they tell you it is at. So then you can just go and type Claude as example, and you should find yourself right here installed for you. Then you can just go and sign in into your account and you can use it or keep using it in your terminal and start as example coding with it or do whatever you want. So that could be it for me, or that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.